Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and plan support Wi-Fi calling because the phone needs carrier provisioning. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and check signal quality. Now open Settings, tap Mobile Network, then find Wi-Fi calling or calls over Wi-Fi. Toggle it on. If prompted, accept terms and enter your emergency address for E911 services so emergency responders can locate you when you call. Next, you choose how calls switch between Wi-Fi and cellular by selecting Wi-Fi preferred or cellular preferred in the same menu. Wi-Fi preferred forces calls over Wi-Fi when available. Make sure the phone app has required permissions, including location for emergency address validation. If Wi-Fi calling is missing, restart the phone and wait a few minutes for carrier provisioning to complete. Sometimes a carrier profile update appears and requires. Finally, test by placing a call and checking for a Wi-Fi calling indicator on the call screen. That confirms it's active. If audio is poor, switch Wi-Fi networks or toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on to reset the connection. If the feature remains grayed out or provisioning fails, remove and reinsert the SIM, update carrier settings, then contact your carrier for provisioning support. This is often the single fix when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.